In this short video, I want to teach you 2 special ways to add page numbers to your books on Canva. This is Canva, and Canva does not have a way to add page numbers automatically, but I have found out a simple way to add page numbers to your book that is going to make everything easy. As always, get your pen and paper because you are about to learn something new for free. I am Naira, and on this channel, I teach how to start a business, grow the business, and keep all the money to yourself for free. If this is something you're interested in, like this video, hit the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Like I said, there are 2 special ways to do this easily. The first one is to create the page numbers before you even start creating your book, while the second one is to create the page numbers after you have finished creating your book. Let's get started. Because I understand that not everyone has Canva Pro, I always use the free version of Canva for all my videos, so that you would see that it is not until you have Canva Pro that you can do these things. Everything can be done with the free version of Canva, just that sometimes it takes more time to get things done. So once you're on Canva and you want to start creating the book, you just click on create a design. Of course, to select the size of the book you want, you click custom size. For the purpose of this video, let's do 6 by 9, okay, or 8.5 by 11. Any size that you want is okay. So you click here, select inches, put your book size, which is 6 by 9, and then you click create new design. Once your design interface loads like this, the first thing you want to do before you even start creating your book is to add the page number, and I'll tell you why. So this is the page. What you want to do now is to click on text, select text, and just write 1. Then you make it a little bigger like this. Now after doing this is going to be your page 1. Let me make the page bigger by zooming it for you to see very well. Okay, this is it. But remember that there is something called bleed and no bleed. I've explained this in a couple of my videos, where bleed means that the element of your book flows through all the edges of the book, while no bleed means that it does not flow through all the edges of the book. You can watch my previous video to understand that better. After putting one like this, you just take it to where you want the page number to be. As you can see, I want it to be here. I can just make it a little smaller like this. This is how the page number is going to be. So this way, you can now click next page. As you duplicate the page, you just change this to 2 like this, okay? Then your next page, you do the same thing and you change it to 3 like this. So this is how you have to be numbering the pages 1 by 1 till you get to the required number of pages. It does not take time, and this is how you're going to do it because Canva has not made provision for automatic page numbering. But hang on, because on the second method I'm going to show you, you are going to learn how to do it automatically with just 2 clicks. This is why you need to start liking my videos, because I teach you things that you cannot find on any other platform on the internet. You can also customize these page numbers if you like by simply clicking on elements, select an element. Let's take circle like this. So you just reduce it, okay? After reducing it like this, you can now pick this one, which is the page number, and put it inside the circle as you want it. You can decide to change the color, okay? You can make this color black, and then the number inside should be color white or any other color that would show perfectly inside this black, depending on the type of book you are creating. Then you just highlight that. You can group it if you want to, which is even the best. When you group it like this, you now take it down to where you want it to be. Okay, I think I like it here. Then you ungroup it. You know why you're ungrouping it? Because you're going to be changing the numbers inside on different pages. But if you leave it grouped, you'll not be able to change the numbers. So you just copy that, Ctrl C, highlight it and copy it, then you paste it here on the next page, Ctrl V. As you can see, that you change this inside to 2. You see, this is how you're going to be numbering the pages 1 by 1. But the good thing about this is that after you have done this first one, as you are duplicating the page, you don't need to copy and paste again. As it is like this is page 1. You just duplicate the page for the next page you want to put, and then just change this to 2 like this. You see, you duplicate this page again and then change it to 3. Just highlight this and change it to 3. This is how you're going to be doing it manually until you arrive at the number of pages you want. This is step 1. I hope this is clear enough. I hope you understand what I've just explained. Now let's move to step 2. For step 2, you would have finished writing the book or creating the book without any page number. And for the purpose of this video, I don't want it to be too long, so I'm not creating a new book. I'm just going to use a book that I've created before. If you remember the teddy bear coloring book video that I did earlier, you can check my videos to learn how to create coloring books that you can sell on Amazon for free. Now I'm going to use that coloring book. I did not number it, so I'm going to number it now for us to see how to number books created with Canva. If you want to learn how to create books like this, coloring books like this, I'll leave the link to the video in the description down below. You can just watch it. It's very, very easy and everything is done for free. This is a teddy bear coloring book that we created some time ago, and as you can see, it doesn't have page numbers. Now we have already completed this book and now we want to add page numbers to it. How are we going to achieve it? We're going to be using a free website called I Love PDF. This method is good if you already created your book without adding page numbers on Canva. So this book is just how many pages? It's just 9 pages, okay? It was just a tutorial. I don't need to complete the book. But in your own case, the book might be 50 pages, 100 pages, or even 1,000 pages if you want. No problem. The method I'm going to show you now, you'll be able to automatically number the pages with just 2 clicks. So let's go to the website called ilovepdf.com. Just launch your browser and type ilovepdf.com. As you can see, ilovepdf.com. This is the website. I've mentioned this website a couple of times on this channel, where you can use it to merge PDF, you can split PDF, you can compress PDF, you can do a lot of micro tasks on this website, like convert PDF to JPG or JPG to PDF or PDF to Word or Word to PDF. But that's not our concern. For today, we're only concerned with page numbers. So when you get to I Love PDF, you just scroll down and then you would see page numbers. You don't even need to log in. This website is awesome. You don't need to log in. Once you see page numbers, just click on it and it will load like this. Now when it loads, it will tell you to first select the PDF you want to add page numbers to. All you need to do is to click select PDF, choose the PDF that you want to add page numbers. But by then you'd have already completed the book on Canva and you would have downloaded it as PDF print. I hope that is clear. So you click select PDF file and choose the file where you saved it. So this is a teddy bear book and I saved it on desktop. So I'll just locate my desktop and double click on the PDF file that I've saved. As you can see, this is our teddy bear book. It's just 9 pages. But if you have more number of pages, it does not matter. So you see where this red dots is showing, that is where the page number is going to be. Look at this place where it is written position. You can now decide to change the position of the page numbers. As you can see, you can put it in the middle, at the bottom side of the book, or by the left hand side, or by the right hand side, or even on top. You can put it on the top right or the top left, but for the purpose of this video, let's use bottom right. So this is it. Then you can decide to say you don't want the first page to have any page number. All you need to do, you see where it said pages, first number should start from, I'm going to make it page 2. You see, it means that on this page now it's going to be page 2, but now I don't want the first page, which is the title page, to have any page number. So where it says which page do you want to number, you would then increase that and say page 2, which means that this page 2, you see that there's nothing on page 1 again. This red dot is no more on page 1. It means that this page 2 is going to start from number 2. If I want to start from number 1, I will just reduce this and this page is going to start number 1, number 2, which means that the first page is not going to have any page number. But in this case, I want to start from number 2, so I'll just increase it and make it 2. So the first page number is going to be on page 2, which is the second page, and it's going to start from number 2. So you see, it's showing me that from page 2 to page 9, that is what is going to number. You can decide to make it bold, you can decide to make it bigger, you can decide to make it smaller. As you can see, margin, you can click on margin and click small. If you click small, it will become smaller. If you click recommended, it will be medium. If you click big, it it will become bigger, as you can see. So let's take recommended. After you've done this, you now click add page numbers. You see, it's adding the page numbers. It will take some time depending on the number of pages of your book. It is done. It said the PDF has page numbers now. That means that your book now has page numbers. All you need to do is to click download PDF numbered. So you just click on it. Once you download it, this is it. You see that the first page does not have page number, as we explained. Then you scroll down, you see the second page has number 2, as you can see. The third page has number 3. The fourth page has number 4. The fifth page number 5, like that until it will number the entire page for you. I hope this is clear. So I prefer this second method to the first method, but I use both of them depending on the type of book I am creating. The reason I'm doing this video now is because in the next 24 hours, I'm going to drop another video about how to make puzzle books, so you would know how to use this method I have explained in this video to number your puzzle book. I don't want to explain this in the puzzle book video. It's going to make it too long. Since you already know this, once I drop the puzzle book video and you start creating your puzzle books, you can now number the pages using these methods. I hope that is clear. If you really enjoyed this video and you learned something new today, like this video, share with your friends on WhatsApp, X, Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. Share on groups so more people will learn this new method. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.